Introducing WowStore, the complete solution to create and manage a complete WooCommerce store and boost earnings fast. Expand your Gutenberg library with numerous WowStore blocks and build fast-loading stores like a stunning clothing boutique, a captivating home decor haven, a luxurious jewelry showcase. With WowStore, you can build any kind of store. The default store page doesn't give a professional look. Replace them by choosing from hundreds of pre-made templates for shop, archive, cart, checkout, and product pages. But wait, that's not all. Make your customers happy by letting them find products faster with the advanced filter that offers all essential criteria such as category, color, price, rating, and so on. Convert dull product variations with beautiful color, image, and size swatches. Help customers to compare similar products side by side and make faster buying decisions. Grab attention to featured products by replacing product images with videos. And reduce product return rate with a detailed size chart. Want more sales? Keep selling out-of-stock products with backorder. Sell upcoming products with pre-order. Get more orders with partial payments. And convince your customers with a call for price. Getting too many visitors but not enough customers? Convert them with exclusive features like name your price, animated add to cart, sticky add to cart, and push sales notification. Worried about the average order value? Increase it by upselling high-priced product and build a smart cart page with free shipping bar and cross-selling product. Anxious about increasing abandoned carts? Don't get frustrated. Keep your customers engaged with mini cart and create FOMO with the cart reserve timer. Want more features? Keep sending your requirements and make our developers busy. So what are you waiting for? Make your store wow with WowStore.